Hello everyone. Now in our soil mechanics, today we are going to see our next topic, stability analysis of finite slope. In our fourth chapter, in a previous video, we saw that what is stability of slope, what is slope, then what is critical surface of failure, infinite and finite slope, factor of safety, then types of slope failure, and stability analysis of infinite slope. So first of all, what is earth slope? So an earth slope is unsupported inclined surface of a soil mass. क्या है अर्थ स्लोप? क्या है? इट इज़ वन ऑफ द अनसपोर्टेड इंक्लाइंड सरफेस ऑफ सॉइल मास. ठीक है, वन ऑफ द सॉइल मास विच इज़ अनसपोर्टेड और इंक्लाइंड सरफेस, इट इज़ कॉल्ड अर्थ स्लोप. So earth slope may be found in nature or may be man-made. So earth slopes are formed for highway embankment, railway embankment, earth dam and canal banks and levees. Now what is critical surface of a failure? The failure of earth slope occurs when a large mass of soil slides or slips along a plane or a curved surface involving a downward or outward movement of the soil mass away from the sloping surface. कोई सॉइल मास है वो क्या होगी? स्लोपिंग सरफेस से अवे होगी. ठीक है, किसके हिसाब से? डू स्लाइडिंग और स्लाइड अलोंग अ प्लेन और अ कर्व सरफेस इन्वॉल्विंग डाउनवर्ड आउटवर्ड मूवमेंट ऑफ सॉइल मास. इट इज so the surface along which soil mass slide when the failure of an earth slope occur is known as critical surface of failure. So the failure of earth slope take place mainly due to action of gravitational force, seepage force within the soil mass, excavation or undercutting of its root foot, disintegration of structure of the soil due to weathering action. So it is the cause of earth slope failure. Then after we saw infinite and finite slope. So the earth slope may be of two types, infinite slope and finite slope. Infinite slope किसे बोलेंगे? If a slope represent the boundary surface of a semi-infinite soil mass inclined to the horizontal and the soil properties for all identical depth below the surface are constant, it is called an infinite slope. कि सपोज कोई स्लोप है वो रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे बाउंड्री सरफेस को ऑफ अ सेमी इनफाइनाइट सॉइल मास इंक्लाइन टू हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड द सॉइल प्रॉपर्टीज फॉर ऑल आइडेंटिकल डेप्थ below the surface are constant, it is called infinite slope. Slope extending to infinity does not exist in a nature. However, in a practice, if the height of the slope is very large, it may be considered as infinite slope. Long slope of the face of mountain, it is example of infinite slope. Then finite slope. So in a finite slope, if the slope is of limited extent, it is called finite slope. For example, slope of dam, earth dam, slope of highway, railway embankment, canal banks, cuts, etc. Now factor of safety. So इन स्टेबिलिटी एनालिसिस ऑफ स्लोप की हम स्टेबिलिटी एनालिसिस कर एट दैट टाइम थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी आर नॉर्मली यूज. द फर्स्ट इज फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू शियर स्ट्रेंथ, फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू कोहेसन एंड फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू फ्रिक्शन. Then after we saw types of failure. So there are different type of failure. The common type of slope failure are rotational failure, translation failure, compound failure, wedge failure and miscellaneous failure. So in a rotational failure, in this type of failure occur by rotation along the slip surface by downward and outward movement of the soil mass. रोटेशन होगा सॉइल मास के अंदर, ठीक है, डाउनवर्ड और आउटवर्ड एंड स्लिप सरफेस होगा. सो इट इज़ वन ऑफ द रोटेशनल फेलियर. So the slip surface is generally circular for homogeneous soil condition and non-circular in case of non-homogeneous condition. So rotational failure are further divided into three types: toe failure, face failure and base failure. Now translation failure. So in case of infinite slope, the soil properties are uniform at the same depth below the free surface. So translation failure occur in is an infinite slope along a long failure surface parallel to the slab. Then compound failure. A compound failure is a combination of a rotational slip and translation slip. Translation slip क्या है? A soil properties are uniform at the same depth below the free surface. Translation failure occur in an infinite slope along a long failure surface parallel to the slope. The shape of the failure surface is influenced by the presence of any hard stratum at a shallow depth below the slope surface. So in a compound failure, surface is a curve at the two ends and a plane in the middle portion. The compound failure generally occur when the hard stratum exists at considerable depth below the toe. Then a wedge failure. A failure along an inclined plane is known as wedge failure. A failure along an inclined plane is known as wedge failure. It is also known as a plane failure or a block failure. It occurs when a distinct block or a wedge of the soil mass becomes separated. Now miscellaneous failure. In addition to the above three types of failure, some complex type of failure in the form of spreads flow may also occur. So it is miscellaneous failure. Now our next topic is stability analysis of finite slope. So first of all, what is finite slope? So if the slope is limited extent, it is called finite slope. A slope is a limited extent, it is called finite slope. A finite slope is bounded by a base and top surface. ठीक है, जो फाइनाइट स्लोप होगा इट इज़ बाउंडेड. कैसे बाउंडेड होगा? बाउंडेड बाय अ बेस एंड अ टॉप सरफेस. बेस एंड टॉप सरफेस. The unlined faces of earthen dam, canal, unlined faces like dam, canal, embankment, excavation, etc. are all finite slope. ठीक है, this is the example of finite slope. Thus the stability of such slope is of a vital important for civil engineering. ठीक है, तो जो ये टाइप ऑफ जो इनफाइनाइट स्लोप है तो उसकी स्टेबिलिटी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर सिविल इंजीनियरिंग. सो द फेलियर ऑफ फाइनाइट स्लोप अकर अलोंग अ सरफेस विच इज़ अ कर्व. ठीक है, जो इन दिस टाइप ऑफ फाइनाइट स्लोप फेलियर कैसे अकर होगा? इन अ कर्व फॉर्म. कर्व फॉर्म में फेलियर होगा. इट इज़ लाइक अ कर्व फॉर्म. कर्व फॉर्म में फेलियर होगा. इन स्टेबिलिटी computation, the curve representing the real surface of sliding is usually replaced by an arc of a circle for a logarithmic spiral. So two basic type of failure of a finite slope may occur: slope failure or a toe failure or a base failure. Slope failure कैसे होगा? तो फर्स्ट इज फेस फेलियर और अ टो फेलियर. ठीक है, आप फिगर में देख सकते हो जो ऐसा फेलियर होगा कर्व शेप में, जो इट इज़ फेस and like this it is a toe surface. And third is a base failure. Now if the failure occur along the surface of a sliding or a slippage that intersect the slope or at above the toe, it is known as slope failure. The slope failure is a called face failure. If the R passes above the toe, it is toe failure. If the passes through its toe. ठीक है, चलो. The failure occurs along the surface of a sliding or a slippage that intersect the slope at or above the toe. It is known as slope failure. The slope failure is a called face failure if the R passes above the toe, or toe failure if the R passes through the toe. टो फेलियर में से पास होगा आर्क, इट इज टो फेलियर, एंड फेस में से पास होगा तो इट इज फेस फेलियर. If the soil beneath the toe of the slope is weak, the failure occurs along a surface that passes at some distance below the toe of the slope. Such type of failure is called base failure. The ratio of the total depth h by d, h plus d to the depth h is called depth factor df. For a toe failure, df is equal to 1. For a base failure, df greater than 1. In a type of slip failure, the rupture of a finite slope may take place along one of the following failure surface. These are the planar failure surface, circular failure surface, and non-circular failure surface. First is planar surface, planar failure surface, circular failure surface, and non-circular failure surface. In a planar failure surface may commonly occur in a soil deposit or embankment with a specific plane of weakness. Excavation in stratified deposit quite often leads to a planar failure surface along a plane parallel to the strata. Similarly, in composite earth dam with sloping cores, plane of weakness within the bank may consist of the 2 or the 3 plan surface. So in generally the failure surface have arc somewhat flatter at the end and a sharper at the center. Field investigation by SADIS Geometrical Commission justified circular arc as a close approximation of a actual slip surface in a homogeneous and isotropic soil condition. For a simple idealized problem, the assumption of the circular failure surface is sufficiently accurate. So non-circular or a composite failure surface occur in many practical cases. According to Bennett, non-circular slip surface may arise in homogeneous depth having one or more the following. First is foundation of finite depth, rigid boundary plane with maximum or zero shear, presence of relative stronger or a weaker layer. Similarly, according to Mongstrom and Price condition for which non-circular slip surface may occur in non-homogeneous earth dam are presence of a soft layer in foundation, use of different type of soil or a rock in the dam section with varying strength and the pore pressure condition, use of drainage blanket to facilitate dissipation of pore water. So क्या कहा गया है कि in homogeneous dam having one or more the following foundation of infinite, depth of the foundation is infinite, rigid boundary plane with maximum और zero shear. बाउंड्री कैसी कंसिडर करेंगे? रिजिड, presence of relative stronger or weaker layer. Similarly, according to Morgenstern and Price in 1965 condition for which non-circular slip surface may be occur in non-homogeneous earth dam are presence of the soft layer in the foundation. फाउंडेशन क्या होना चाहिए? सॉफ्ट लेयर. यूज ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सॉइल और रॉक इन द डैम. रॉक यूज करेंगे डैम के सेक्शन में टू वेरिंग स्ट्रेंथ एंड द पोर वाटर पोर प्रेशर कंडीशन. एंड यूज ऑफ ड्रेनेज ब्लैंकेट टू फैसिलिटेट डेसिपेशन ऑफ पोर प्रेशर. सो नाउ the stability analysis of a finite slope involved the following steps according to the commonly adopted procedure. Assuming a possible slip surface, studying the equilibrium of the forces acting on the surface, repeating the procedure until the worst slip surface, that is the one with minimum factor of safety, is found. Factor of stability analysis of finite slope. The following method are commonly adopted: the Swedish circle method, the friction circle method, Bishop's method, and Taylor method. So these are the very most important theory for stability analysis of finite slope. First is Swedish circle method or a slip circle method, the friction circle method, Bishop's method, and Taylor method. So these methods are useful for the stability analysis of finite slope. So what is finite slope? If the slope is of limited extent, it is called finite slope. So very most important here is stability analysis of finite slope. So type of failure of in-mice plate is, first is the face failure, toe failure and base failure. इन किस फॉर्म में होगा? दिस फेलियर में अकर इन कर्व फॉर्म.